Hey, I'm Travis, the founder of Make Inspires. I purchased Make Inspires' first 3D printer back in 2012 and started teaching kids right away. At Make Inspires, we allot a maximum of 90 minutes for each student's prints. Before Bambu Lab's 3D printers, that meant a model the size of a golf ball, maybe a baseball. Now, the same 90 minutes, we're turning out prints the size of a softball. They're literally twice as fast and way more reliable. Nozzles rarely clog. If they do, we swap them out in 5 minutes and keep printing. Bambu Labs changed the game for us and for our students. Visit makeinspires.com to get your Bambu Labs 3D printer today.